All right, PSS private catalog. Let's dive into it. So what we're going to do real quick is just walk you through a very common dealer request, which is, can I just list my shirts and hats to my website? This has never been easier. So we're in the private catalog right now, and new product. Manufacturer name is my dealership. This could be John's Kawasaki, Steve's Suzuki dealership of Illinois, what have you. But that's just the brand. Could be my dealership apparel. Feel free to get creative there. My product group name is just going to be dealership trucker hat for now. And with a generic description on this example, this WYSIWYG editor, feel free to get in there and format your descriptions, be as detailed as you want, add tables. But for this example, we're just going with generic. So we'll save this. And I've already uploaded this image into Media Center, or you could drag one in right here. But we're going to go with this image right here, this hat. So creating my new product, I've got my image. I've already done my brand manufacturer name. I've already done my product group name. What's my MPN? And this is going to be a medium. Blue. Need an MSRP. Sale price is controlled at a later date. We'll hit save here. So we've got this product group created. This product's really created. And I have the option here to stay within my flow of creating this product group. And I can add all the other variations without clicking away. So I can just go, there's the large one. And it also comes in green. So image, I would ideally want a green hat right here, but for the sake of this example, I'm just going to go with the blue one again. And you'll see that this variation has been added, and now I have two products in this product group. So earlier on, I was adding shop shirts, and now I got my hats. And the product data now is in PSS. It's ready to go. I want to list this to my web store. Very simple process. I highlight the rows, web store, and I just got to type out the category name that I want them in. And I do have to be precise here. I need it to go into the exact category that exists on my web store. But I know that I've got apparel and hats. If I click confirm here, that product's going to go to my web store and it's going to be listed immediately. So right there, you can see very quickly, we created a product, we added a variation to it, and we listed it to the web store. Tough to get much easier than that. Hard parts are going to behave a little bit differently, but everyone can kind of get the idea. And that should be all you need to do to get your products in.